I've done a couple of busy bag videos, or you could do busy boxes, busy book, and if you're back for more, let me show you these biblical busy bags. So I made a single bag, kind of unique, a little pouch, different than others, and I did a New Testament and an Old Testament. So you can see there's a little bit of kind of foundation on both sides. This was all hand stitched. I just didn't want to break out the sewing machine, so it can be done. Obviously it's probably going to be a little more sturdy and maybe nicer looking with sewing machine, but you can definitely do this just by hand. So I've got a little button up here to keep the internal contents in. Otherwise it's a couple of pieces of felt stitched together, and you just have to determine which is for which side when you pull it out. So the first one here is going to be our New Testament scene. I've got some clouds and dirt or sand and mountains in the sun there already stitched on. Then you can decorate with the trees and this foliage around the river Jordan. Kind of looks like a lake, but you know, work with me here. So we've got John the Baptist and our Savior Jesus Christ already kind of decorated with their clothes on. I kind of felt like it was appropriate to have their clothes stitched on. So just kind of an up close view, and there's a little pocket there where he can immerse him in the water as Christ was baptized and then come back up. So it's not a whole lot of interaction within the page itself, but it's a fun little thing. It tells a story. They can have him move around, they decorate it, they undecorate it. The back is bare. Maybe I should have stitched on something else, but just the front side, they are all dressed. So that's a fun little one. For the eyes, I did beads. Obviously you want to make sure kids are not going to choke on it and that they are supervised. So the other side is going to be our Old Testament. Do you know what it is? Do you know what it is? Well, we've got a slingshot with an elastic and a rock on it. So this is going to be David and Goliath. So I've got here a couple of rolling strips of green grass. They could have been folded up a little nicer. They're a little, a little sad looking. But then we have got David and his little tunic or whatever it would have been. So he can be fully dressed, as well as some hair and some shoes. And then Goliath, obviously much larger, and he's going to have all of his armor on because that's how he rolls. And then you've got your little elastic there, and you can take him down. And I did not use any patterns for this. I just kind of decided to wing it. So just that little vote of confidence. Takes just a little bit, these little teeny scissors probably best, and some stitching, and just sit down while you're watching the movie or something like that and enjoy making these. If you have any other stories that you think would be fun to do, it has actually been a long time since I made these particular ones, but maybe it would be fun to make some more. I do have a couple more that I will be uploading soon, so watch out for that. But I don't know, I just think it's fun. Like, you know, you've got those little stitches there. They're not practical, they're more decorative, giving that little extra feel. So let me know what you guys think. I appreciate you stopping by. If you enjoyed this, please give it that thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of my crafting and cooking videos, please make sure to subscribe. Hope we'll see you soon. And don't forget to share this video. I really appreciate your support. Have a wonderful day.